Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to enable and disable throttle downloads while streaming in Steam. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in and on the main Steam interface, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen. You'll see a menu option labeled Steam. Go ahead and click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings. This will open up Steam's main configuration window where you can adjust various aspects of how the application functions. Once the settings window opens, look at the left sidebar where you'll find different categories for customizing Steam. Click on Downloads from this list. This section is specifically designed to manage how Steam handles game downloads, update scheduling, and bandwidth usage, which is particularly useful if you want to optimize your streaming experience. Now, scroll down through the download settings until you locate the option that says Throttle downloads while streaming. This feature is particularly handy because it helps prevent your downloads from interfering with your streaming quality. Right beside this option, you'll notice a toggle switch that controls whether this feature is active or not. If you want to enable throttle downloads while streaming, simply click the toggle switch to turn it on. When enabled, Steam will automatically reduce the speed of any active downloads whenever you're streaming content, ensuring that your stream maintains consistent quality without bandwidth interruptions. This is especially helpful if you're streaming games to another device or broadcasting on platforms like Twitch while Steam is downloading updates in the background. On the other hand, if you want to disable this feature, just click the toggle switch again to turn it off. With it disabled, your downloads will continue at full speed even while streaming, though this might impact your streaming performance depending on your internet connection. And that's it. You've now configured how Steam manages downloads during streaming sessions based on your preferences. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.